Remember, prior to installing your ceiling fan, you do need to determine which wire is hot. This way, when you do turn your power back on, you can be sure you've made the proper connections. Go ahead and use your tester to determine which wire is hot. In this case, our black wires are hot wire, so we're safe to assume connecting our fan's power wires to this wire should give us correct operation. You can go ahead and move forward and turn off power at your breaker and turn off any switches that may be in the room. Now attach your fan hanger bracket to your outlet box using the screws provided. Make sure to tighten it tight and give it a wiggle to make sure that it's secure prior to hanging your new fan. Remember, if you had a fan hanging previously, remove the hanger bracket and install the hanger bracket that was included with your new fan. Do not assume that your old hanger bracket will support the weight of your new fan. You're now ready to hang your fan into the hanger bracket that you just attached to your junction box. Once it's hanging in the bracket, give your fan a slight turn until you hear your hanger ball click into your hanger bracket. Now you know your fan is secure. Depending on the fan you have, it may have come with what we call a motor support plate. This locks the motor in place for shipping purposes and needs to be removed prior to installing any blades to the fan. Once the plate's removed, you can move forward with your installation. Once you've removed the motor support bracket, you can go ahead and move forward with attaching your blades to your blade holders. Most blades will attach to your holders with 3 screws. You'll notice here that I've already done this and pre-assembled before attaching to the fan. Once everything's attached, you may go ahead and move forward and attach your blade arm to your fan. Next, you're going to attach your switch cup plate to your fan body. The switch cup plate is going to be the main support for your switch housing and your fan speed control. Go ahead and pass the wire through the center of your switch cup plate and twist and lock the switch cup plate to the fan body. Next, you're going to attach your switch cup to the switch cup plate that you just installed to your fan. You're going to see color-coded markings on the side of your Molex plug. Be sure to match these color-coded markings up to the same color-coded markings on the fan Molex plug. Once your connection is made, you can go ahead and lift and raise your switch cup up to the switch cup plate and fasten with the screws provided. Here we're going to go ahead and strip our wires so we can make our connections from the fan to the house. Remember, strip your wires roughly 1/4 inch to allow for proper connection. Now that your wires are stripped, you can move forward and go ahead and make your connections to your house hot wire. Remember, previously we determined our black wire as our hot wire. Connection with the wire cap nut provided with your fan. Now that your power is connected, you can go ahead and move on to your white neutral wire. Connect the fan's white neutral wire to your house white neutral wire. you're going to connect the ground wire from your hanger ball to the ground wire on your hanger bracket. Once all connections are made, you can hide your wires up into the hanger bracket. This will allow for more room to lift your canopy into place. Now that your wires are tucked into the hanger bracket, you can lift your canopy up to hide those connections. Remember, be careful not to pinch any wires when you're lifting the canopy. If they are in your way, remove the canopy, lift the wires, and try again. Now that your canopy is in place, you can tighten the 2 set screws provided. Now that you've made all your connections and the installation is done, we can go ahead and restore power at the breaker box and test our fan. Take a moment to review your installation and be sure that all screws are secure. Next, turn on your power at the breaker box to allow for testing of your new fan. Be sure to go through all 3 fan speeds. Your installation is now complete. Congratulations! Should you have any additional questions, please contact our Minka Aire technical support at 1-800-221-7977. Thank you.